Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce inventory waste with WooCommerce easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WooCommerce dashboard. Navigate to the products section on the left sidebar. Click on all products to view your inventory. Identify products with low turnover rates. Select these items to analyze their sales history. Evaluate the sales data to determine which products are not selling well. Consider adjusting the pricing of these slow-moving items. Create discounts or promotions to encourage sales. If items still do not sell, think about discontinuing them. Next, implement a first-in, first-out inventory method. This ensures older products are sold before new stock arrives. Utilize WooCommerce inventory management plugins for better tracking. Install a suitable plugin from the WooCommerce marketplace. Set up alerts for low inventory levels to avoid overstocking. Regularly audit your inventory to identify surplus stock. Analyze seasonal trends to understand demand fluctuations. Plan your inventory purchases based on historical data. Consider bundling slow-moving items with popular products. This can help clear out excess stock effectively. Lastly, communicate with suppliers regarding your inventory levels. Maintaining good relations can help with return policies for unsold goods. Implementing these strategies will significantly reduce inventory waste in your WooCommerce store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.